Guide to Ketogenic Diet Meal Plans. Switching to a ketogenic diet may seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be difficult. Your focus should be on reducing carbs while increasing the fat and protein content of meals and snacks. Some online tools and calculators can be helpful. In order to reach and remain in a state of ketosis, carbs must be restricted. While certain people might only achieve ketosis by eating 20 grams of carbs per day, others may be successful with a higher carb intake. Generally, the lower your carbohydrate intake, the easier it is to reach and stay in ketosis. This is why sticking to keto-friendly foods and avoiding items rich in carbs is the best way to successfully lose weight on a ketogenic diet. Keto-friendly foods. When following a ketogenic diet, meals and snacks should center around the following foods. Eggs, pastured, organic, or conventional all work fine. Poultry, chicken and turkey. Fatty fish, salmon, herring, and mackerel. Meat, beef, venison, pork, organ meats, and bison. Full-fat dairy, unsweetened yogurt, butter, and cream. Full-fat cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, brie, goat cheese, and cream cheese. Nuts and seeds, macadamia nuts, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, peanuts, and flax seeds. Nut butter, no sugar added peanut, almond, and cashew butter. Oils rich in healthy fats, olive oil, avocado oil, and sesame oil. Avocados, whole avocados can be added to almost any meal or snack. Non-starchy vegetables, greens, broccoli, tomatoes, mushrooms, and peppers. Condiments, salt, pepper, vinegar, lemon juice, fresh herbs, and spices. Foods to limit when possible. It's best to avoid or limit foods rich in carbs while following a keto diet. The following foods should be limited. Bread and baked goods, white bread, whole wheat bread, crackers, cookies, donuts, and rolls. Sweets and sugary foods, sugar, ice cream, candy, maple syrup, honey, agave syrup, and coconut sugar. Sweetened beverages, soda, juice, sweetened teas, and sports drinks. Pasta, spaghetti and other noodles. Grains and grain products, wheat, rice, oats, breakfast cereals, and tortillas. Starchy vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, corn, peas, and pumpkin. Beans and legumes, black beans, chickpeas, lentils, and kidney beans. Fruit, citrus, grapes, bananas, and pineapple. High-carb sauces, barbecue sauce, ketchup, honey mustard, sugary salad dressings, and dipping sauces. Certain alcoholic beverages, beer and sugary mixed drinks. Though carbs should be restricted, you can enjoy low-glycemic fruits, such as berries, in limited amounts as long as you're maintaining a keto-friendly range of macronutrients, carbs, protein, fat. Be sure to choose plenty of whole foods and steer clear of processed foods and trans fats when possible. Keto-friendly beverages. Sugar can be found in a wide variety of beverages including juice, soda, iced tea, and coffee drinks. While on a ketogenic diet, you should limit or avoid high-carb drinks, just like high-carb foods. It's no small matter that sugary beverages have also been linked to various health concerns, from obesity to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. 10 trusted source, 11 trusted source. There are many tasty sugar-free options for those on the keto diet. Keto-friendly beverage choices include water. Water is the best choice for hydration and should be consumed throughout the day. Sparkling water. Sparkling water can make an excellent soda replacement. Unsweetened coffee. Try using heavy cream to add flavor to your cup of coffee. Unsweetened green tea. Green tea is delicious and may provide many health benefits. If you want to add some extra flavor to your water, try experimenting with different keto-friendly flavor combinations. For example, tossing some fresh mint and a lemon peel into your water bottle can make hydration a breeze. Though alcohol should be restricted, enjoying an occasional low-carb drink like vodka or tequila mixed with soda water is acceptable on the keto diet.